Alright, y'all gonna have to excuse how I look. I'm still recuperating from the flu. But Reagan is opening our HelloFresh box.
Live it how I get it.
I thought he said he wasn't coming home.
We're videotaping. Okay, what we got here? I think these are our recipes. We have no fuss pesto chicken and pineapple poblano beef tacos. And it comes with your nutritional information. So Reagan, which one are we gonna make today?
I don't know, what is it?
No fuss pesto chicken and pineapple poblano beef tacos. You wanna make the tacos? Alright, so it's got this wrap.
This one. You gonna chop both of them out or just tacos?
Get both of them out and put the other one in the refrigerator.
Okay, this is the no fuss in this way. It's not cold, it's cold.
It is cold?
No fuss pesto chicken.
Okay. So it comes in a bag,
Pineapple.
label.
Poblano beef.
So this is what we're making today. Pineapple poblano beef tacos. What else is in there, sister?
The meats. Under the ice. Okay, we got the beef. Is that beef? Yeah, beef.
Oh, it's super cold. That's good. So we have the ground beef. How many things of ground beef did it come with?
2.
Got our boneless chicken.
And more boneless chicken.
Another ground beef. And another chicken. So this is for the no fuss pesto chicken. Is that all that's in the box?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, strainer, a medium bowl, a small bowl, a large pan, paper towel, and vegetable oil. So let's open this bag.